In this video, I'm going to show you how to be small in Roblox. So if you want to be small or smallest in Roblox, how can you do that? So first of all, you have to open roblox.com in your mobile. So just go to this website. Now once you reach here, just tap on three dot and enable the desktop mode. So once you enable the desktop mode, now how to basically be smallest in Roblox. So just tap on the menu button here, this menu button, and go to Avatar. Now you have to go to head and body type and just tap on scale. So let me go back again, and you can see that when I tap on head and body, so the option will appear here. So friends, due to some reason my scaling option is not appearing. So when I tap on it, it is not opening the all the stats like size. You just need to scale it down to the 0, and once you scale it down to 0, your size will be smallest. Your Roblox character size will be smallest. So that's how you can use it, and just save this size, and then you can use the or you can be smallest in the Roblox. Hope you like it, hope you understood. Thanks for watching, bye bye. But right now I'm using since mobile, and due to some reason it is not opening in this I don't know why it is not opening, but the option is appearing. If I tap on it, scale, the scale option is not appearing. So I don't know why it is not opening, but you just need to tap on the scale and scale it down all the things to 0, and your Roblox character will be smallest in Roblox. Hope you understood. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.